Viburnum lentago, commonly known as Wild Raisin Viburnum, is a versatile and attractive shrub that can add beauty and interest to your landscape. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with the knowledge and techniques needed to grow Viburnum lentago like a pro. From selecting the right location to proper care and maintenance, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Choosing the right location. Sunlight requirements. Viburnum lentago thrives in full sun to partial shade. Aim for a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil conditions. Well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH is ideal for Wild Raisin Viburnum. Planting. Timing. The best time to plant Viburnum lentago is in early spring or fall, allowing the plant to establish its root system before extreme weather conditions. Digging the hole. Dig a hole that is wider and slightly deeper than the root ball of the shrub. Planting depth. Place the Viburnum lentago in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the ground surface. Backfilling. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots to eliminate air pockets. Watering. Water the plant thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and provide hydration to the roots. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning requirements. Viburnum lentago generally requires minimal pruning. However, you can prune to shape the shrub and remove any dead, damaged, or crossing branches. Fertilization. Viburnum lentago typically doesn't require heavy fertilization. If needed, apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring following the package instructions. Propagation. Viburnum lentago can be propagated through seeds, cuttings, or layering. Seed propagation requires stratification, while cuttings can be taken in late summer or early fall. By following these comprehensive guidelines, you can grow Viburnum lentago like a pro. This versatile shrub will reward you with its beautiful clusters of flowers, attractive berries, and overall aesthetic appeal. Embrace the beauty of Wild Raisin Viburnum in your garden and enjoy the benefits it brings to your outdoor space.